Welcome back, YouTubers. I'm going to make a video today on repairing the deck drains in the Grady White. They're broken off. The hoses are old and ugly. Maybe I'll reuse them, maybe I won't. But got to take and repair this before I can start putting a lot of the wood back in. I hope you enjoy this episode. If you do, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Now, in a previous video, I put in a latch on the rope locker in the nose of the boat. Well, I came back, I took it back out and rearranged it. I flipped over the latch so I could get it a little tighter. I was up against the bottom of the boat. And then I come down, I've done some cleaning and scraping on the rope locker. And now I'm going to put in the drain, and I'm going to put some 4200 here on the drain and start hooking up the hose. Well, I got the new drain put in. I used silicone. I talked to the people at the marine store, and all the marine caulks have the same thing. You got to use up the whole tube in 24 hours. Next thing I've got to do is get the torch and soften up the rubber around the old fitting and get it out so I can connect it. Okay, I've got this drain right here, and this thing is stuck in here really good. So I'm going to take this handy dandy little torch and heat it up. But of course, much like when playing with hot glue, I'm going to put on some gloves because this stuff's going to get warm. Well, I think I need pliers. I went through all the effort to sit there and unstick this hose, and on second thought, I'm going to take and even though I've got the hose unstuck, and we'll get to the end and you'll find that I got the hose on the fitting and everything, the hose is not in good condition. There's problems with it. It's stiff, it's hard. It's probably as old as I am, for all I know. But I'm going to replace all the hoses on this side and just do away with the black hose for something newer. Okay, one done, two to go. Okay, YouTubers, if you recall, I'm working over here on floor drains. Well, I struggled so much with that hose, And I looked at the hose and the thing is cracked, and I decided I was going down here, and there it is, and I just decided to replace the hose. Well, the next thing that happened, I found another piece of rotted wood, and I thought I was done with rotted wood. Not really. So I took out the black panel that was here. It is now over there. Let me go back. And I am in the process of working on the floor drains here. And I'm just going to replace all these hoses. Now, I'm torn between using an automotive grade hose. That's what this is. This is 1.1/8" automotive. It's the same hose I've got on my headers on my 540 engine in the Wellcraft. The other thing, it appears this floor is pretty rotten and is doing nothing for the boat. I mean, there's a little bit of right here. There's some fiberglass. There's some bent up on the sides here. There's some over there. I think I'm just going to cut it out and make it easier to put the hose in, because it's easy to put the floor back and to fiberglass it. So we're making progress on doing the floor drains here, but there's probably more work involved than I thought. Isn't that the way boats are? So, holy crap. Oh, by the way, just a point of clarification. Crap is not a swear word. It is an abbreviation for a type of music, country rap. So, with that in mind, I'm going to continue on, cut the floor out, and go work on these hoses. Well, 10 minutes with the cutter, and the floor is gone. There's where the hoses go out through the side of the boat. And I got this little piece of floor out, and we're ready to go back on. I want to finish up the floor drains so I can start putting the wood back in. Well, there's the hoses. As you see, kind of cracked, not in good shape, due to be replaced. Let me go out to the auto parts store and get some new ones. Now, it's interesting. On the outside of the boat, this is a deck drain that's in front of the seats, or for in front of the seats. And then you've got another one back here. This was originally live wells. I'm probably going to turn that into make it a cooler. And then you've got one back here for a bilge pump. Originally on the back of the transom were scuppers. You can see right here, this was a scupper right here. A scupper is when you wash the decks. Here, this is for a bilge pump. There was obviously one on each side, and here are this is for live wells in the back. And much like the other side, here's one for the live wells behind the seat. And this is the one I was just working on, which is for the drains in front of, basically the deck drains. This particular one is for the nose, for the rope locker, and for the drain in front of the seat. So that's the drains in the Grady White. Okay, I got the new floor drain in on this side. I got the new hoses in. I've got the coupling in, and I've got the new drain for the locker over there. That's in. Now, what I've got left is over here, this floor drain. However, I'm gonna wait. To redo this, I have to take out basically the floor on this side, like I've done on this side, and I want to put more of the supporting wood down here under the deck before I take out any more wood. So, tell you what, I'm gonna end this one here. I've made enough mess in the boat. I'm gonna end the deck drain video here. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.